Today, let's talk about classic car insurance and insuring vintage vehicles. Owning a classic car isn't merely possessing a means of transportation, it's an embrace of a rolling piece of history. Whether it's a timeless beauty from the 60s or a rare gem from the early 20th century, classic cars are more than just machines. They're cherished relics on wheels. Ensuring the protection of these automotive treasures requires a special kind of coverage: classic car insurance. In this exploration, we'll delve into the nuances of classic car insurance, highlighting its significance and how it differs fundamentally from standard auto insurance. Classic car insurance stands as a specialized form of coverage designed explicitly for vehicles deemed classics, antiques, or collectibles. This insurance category takes into account the distinctive value, limited usage, and basically passion inherent in collecting these vehicles. While the definition of a classic car may vary amongst insurance providers, it typically encompasses vehicles that are at least 10 to 25 years old, maintaining or restoring their original features. The importance of classic car insurance becomes evident when one considers the unique characteristics and usage patterns of these vintage vehicles. Unlike standard auto insurance, classic car insurance offers agreed value coverage. This means that both the insurer and the owner mutually agree on the car's value before the policy is issued. This contrasts starkly with regular auto insurance, which generally pays the actual cash value, which is the depreciated value, of the vehicle in case of total loss. One of the distinguishing features of classic car insurance is the recognition of limited mileage. Classic cars aren't typically used for daily commuting or long-distance travel. Instead, they're often displayed at exhibitions, participate in club events, or take occasional pleasure drives. Classic car insurance acknowledges this by offering policies with limited mileage, aligning with the understanding that these vehicles are primarily for showcasing and special events. Classic cars often necessitate specialized repairs, and sourcing parts may be more challenging than with modern vehicles. Classic car insurance steps in to cover the cost of using original manufacturer parts or custom components, ensuring that the vehicle is restored to its authentic state after any necessary repairs. This approach recognizes the uniqueness of classic cars and their often irreplaceable components. Storage is another aspect where classic car insurance caters to the specific risks associated with these vintage vehicles. Recognizing that classic cars might spend significant time in storage, policies often offer coverage that protects against potential damage from weather, theft, or accidental harm that might occur even while the vehicle is safely tucked away in the garage. Unlike their standard counterparts, classic cars often appreciate in value over time, especially if they are well maintained or restored to their original condition. Classic car insurance accounts for this potential appreciation by providing coverage that aligns with the increasing value of the vehicle. This is a crucial departure from standard auto insurance, where the coverage typically follows the actual cash value, accounting for depreciation. Usage restrictions are a common feature in classic car insurance policies. Given that classic cars are usually reserved for specific activities like exhibitions, club events, or pleasure drives, classic car insurance outlines these limitations clearly. Some policies may even stipulate that the owner must have a primary vehicle for daily use. Appraisals play a pivotal role in classic car insurance. To determine that agreed-upon value, insurers often require an appraisal by a qualified professional who specializes in classic cars. This appraisal assesses various factors, including the car's condition, originality, and market value. The goal is to establish an agreed-upon value that accurately reflects the classic car's worth, fostering a transparent understanding between the owner and the insurer. Deductible options in classic car insurance offer flexibility. Owners can choose deductibles that align with their risk tolerance and budget. While higher deductibles can lead to lower premiums, this option allows classic car owners to tailor their coverage to suit their individual needs. Coverage for spare parts is another consideration unique to classic car insurance. Collectors often amass spare parts or accessories for their classic cars. Classic car insurance can provide coverage for these spare parts, ensuring that the entire collection, including replacements and enhancements, is protected. Originality clauses are specific features of some classic car insurance policies. These clauses stipulate that replacement parts used for repairs must adhere to the car's original specification. This ensures that the classic car maintains its authentic character and value, a critical aspect for collectors who value historical integrity of their vehicles. Choosing the right classic car insurance involves researching providers that specializes in this niche coverage. These companies often understand the unique needs of classic car owners and can tailor policies accordingly. When obtaining quotes, it's crucial to compare the agreed values offered by different insurers to ensure that the chosen insurer is willing to work collaboratively to establish value that accurately reflects the classic car's worth. Understanding the usage restrictions, evaluating storage coverage options, and comprehending the appraisal requirements are essential steps in choosing the right classic car insurance. These considerations ensure that the policy aligns seamlessly with the owner's intentions, usage patterns, and unique characteristics of their vintage vehicle. In conclusion, classic car insurance is more than just a protective shield for vintage vehicles. It's a bespoke coverage crafted to honor the passion, history, and uniqueness embedded in each classic car. Whether cruising in a convertible from a bygone era or showcasing a rare gem at a car show, classic car insurance stands as the key to ensuring that these automotive treasures remain timeless pieces of history on wheels.